Hello everyone. Welcome to our Google Docs tutorial, tailor-made for all of you hardworking college students. Today, we're focusing on how to set up an MLA formatted document and how to download it. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to Google Docs. You can do this by typing docs.google.com into your web browser. You'll be greeted by this homepage. Click on the plus blank button to create a new document. You now have a blank document, but it's not in the MLA format. Let's fix that. Click the Insert tab at the top, then go to Header and Page Number, and select Header. It will give you a header that will appear on every page. In the header, on the right side, type your last name, press the space bar once, then click on Insert Header and Page Number, and choose the option that puts the number on the right side. Next, let's set up the proper font. MLA format recommends Times New Roman, size 12. Highlight your text, click the drop-down menu next to the font name on the top bar, type in and select Times New Roman. Then, click the drop-down menu next to the font size and select 12. For line spacing, MLA recommends double spacing. Click on the line spacing button on the top bar, it looks like a few horizontal lines with arrows, and select double. Your document's margins should be 1 inch all around. Go to File, Page Setup, and ensure each margin is set to 1. Finally, on the first page, on the left side of the document, type your name, your professor's name, the course name, and the date, each on a new line. Then press Enter twice to leave a blank line, and start typing your title. Make sure it's centered. You can do this by clicking the Center Align button on the top bar. So, that's it for setting up your MLA format on Google Docs. Remember, the header, the font style and size, the line spacing, the margins, and the first page setup. Now, let's move on to setting up the works cited page. This is a crucial part of any MLA formatted document, as it is where you will list all of the sources that you've referenced in your work. First, start a new page for your works cited. Go to Insert Break, Page Break. This will create a new page for you at the end of your document. On the top of the new page, center the title Works Cited. You can use the Center Align button on the top bar for this. Remember, the title should not be bolded, italicized, or placed in quotation marks. Next, you will begin to list your sources. Each source should have its own entry, and each entry should be a new line. The entries should be alphabetically ordered by the first item in the entry, which is often the author's last name. The first line of each entry should align with the left margin. If an entry takes up more than one line, all subsequent lines should be indented half an inch from the left margin. You can do this by hitting Tab at the start of each new line. To add each entry, just start typing. When it's time to move on to the next source, hit Enter. Google Docs will automatically apply the same formatting, like the hanging indent, to each new line you start this way. Remember, MLA has specific citation guidelines depending on the type of source. So make sure you're referencing correctly. That's it for setting up the works cited page in Google Docs using MLA format. Remember, every source you've referenced in your work should be properly cited on this page. Let's move on to downloading the document. Once your document is ready to go, simply click on File, Download. Remember to name your document properly. You can download the document in several formats such as .docs for Word and .pdf for a PDF file. Choose the format that suits your needs best. Google Docs is a powerful tool for all your college assignments. It's free, easy to use, and accessible anywhere. That's it for today's tutorial. Happy writing, and best of luck with your studies. Thank you for watching. And don't hesitate to contact us or stop by the Learning Center. Our team is ready to help you.